Welcome to Testrig Technologies. If you're just starting your QA journey, this video will simplify software testing for you. Software testing is the process of verifying that software functions correctly, meets requirements, and is free from critical bugs. Testing is essential because it helps detect defects early, saves time and cost, and ensures better performance and user satisfaction. There are two main types of testing: manual testing, done by testers, and automation testing, which uses tools and scripts. Software testing happens at different levels, starting with unit testing, then integration, system, and finally acceptance testing. There are many types of testing. Functional and non-functional testing check different aspects of the app. Regression, smoke, and sanity testing are done after changes are made. Here are some key QA terms. Test cases describe steps to test a feature. A defect is a bug. A test plan defines the testing strategy, and scenarios define what needs to be tested. Friendly tools like Jira for bug tracking, Postman for API testing, and Selenium or Cypress for automation. To get started, understand the software development lifecycle, write simple test cases, and learn basic test design techniques. Thanks for watching! Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QA tips. Visit testrigtechnologies.com to know how we can help your business with quality assurance.